This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Do not use this information to interfere with networks or devices you do not own or have permission to test. You are solely responsible for how you use this information. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my new video. I'm going to show you how to hack any Wi-Fi network, no matter how complicated the password is. How does this attack work? To hack or crack a more complicated password, you need a very powerful computer and months of waiting for that computer to try all possible combinations until it gets the correct password. You see, this is not the best way, but we have something much simpler. What if we could set up a fake Wi-Fi network that the victim would connect to and taste their password? You probably think that no one would connect to some fake Wi-Fi network that they see coming out on their phone. Well, they wouldn't unless you forbid them from connecting to their real Wi-Fi network. So we're going to create an evil twin Wi-Fi network that will have the same name as the real one, but it won't be locked. In the meantime, we will block the connection to the real Wi-Fi and wait for the person to get so frustrated that they are forced to look at what is happening and click on the fake Wi-Fi with the same name. Then a page will open for them that says that they have some problem with the router or something and that they need to try the password again. In order to solve the problem according to the quotation marks, then we will get their real password. Let's see how it all actually works. First, you need a special Wi-Fi adapter that costs about 10 to 15 euros and a Kali Linux system on the computer. We also need to install the RGDOM program with which we will carry out the attack. We will open the terminal, copy these commands in order. The link will be in the video description. I have already installed the program, so I won't repeat it. I will just run it. We need to check how the special Wi-Fi adapter is marked. In my case, it is VLAN1. You should watch my previous video on Wi-Fi hacking to get a better understanding of how to use this adapter. We'll select VLAN1. We need to put it in monitor mode. Then, let's mark the Evo Twin access point with the portal. We'll wait for it to list all the legitimate Wi-Fi networks that we can attack. Now you see the list. These yellow lines are Wi-Fi networks that have devices connected to them. I'm going to choose to attack my network. We'll choose option 1 to block connections to the real Wi-Fi. It will now collect the necessary data to know what the real password is when using the so-called handshake. This is done, and now we're going to have a handshake. We'll choose the language. See how it only threw out my real Wi-Fi and created a fake Wi-Fi that I will now click on because I can't connect to my real one. It will take me to a phishing portal. You can make this page look as you like. I will enter the password and see, as soon as I entered the real password, it appeared on my computer. If I had entered a fake password, it would not have appeared. Now the program will automatically stop the attacks and allow the victim to connect their Wi-Fi again. Here is the most epic way to hack a Wi-Fi password. Of course, this can be done much better and more convincingly, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.